do your thing. It's whatever. No big deal. Hi! Welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, welcome if you are new. I don't normally look this oily, or maybe I do. I probably do. But I put on a whole bunch of skincare this morning, and then I was like, I just need to go to Hobby Lobby for one thing. And I put on some sunscreen, some cream blush, and mascara, headed out. And I already have raccoon eyes. I've had this on for not even like 5-6 hours, and I have raccoon. This is terrible. But I got something in the mail, and I was like, I want to open this now. I don't want to wait. And of course, like the nicest person I am, I want to hang out with you guys while I open this. It's my Allure beauty box, which feels pretty empty. Poor little box got smushed in real bad too. So let's, ooh, how can I? Let's open this up. See what's in here. Are you opened or, yeah. See what's in here together. If you're new here, hi. I do these videos once a month because the Allure beauty box stuff is once a month, and Editing Me does a great job of putting everything down in the description. You get a mix between deluxe sizes and full-size items, and they always give you like the good stuff. There's a reason it's still on my channel. Ooh, it's like a little package to yourself. I think I do, it was the annual, well, first it was a gift, and then it was the annual, and then it was quarterly, because I think I get a credit from my credit card from doing it quarterly. But usually I do it annually because you save more. You get this cool little booklet with it. Tells you a little bit about what's going on. Oh, by the way, this is July 2025, in case like people are time traveling or you're over here watching my playlist of Allure beauty boxes. This is July 2025, and I usually put it in the title too. Booklet, Allure beauty box. And then you have this really cool letter from the Deputy Beauty Director. And then here you'll have the items you receive, their price, or if it's not a full size, like the price of the full size, why you'll love it, and then how you're going to use it. So it's all really good stuff, and of course like where you can buy it and stuff. Good stuff. So let's jump into this. The first thing, and it's weird they've been doing this every month. It's not like a pick from these items like Ipsy does, but it's like a pick the color from these items, if you will, which I think is pretty nice. Like, thank you for asking me if I have a choice. Thank you. The first item is the choice item. It's from House Labs by Lady Gaga, which I loved all of her before reformulation stuff. Afterwards, I don't think I've tried anything. Actually, no, I lied. I tried the concealer and I didn't like it. I'm not a fan. Kudos to the makeup girly who got it to work on me. Chef's kiss. Anyway, this is the Colorful Fuse Galaxy Color Fuse Glassy Blush Balm Stick in either Glassy Pitaya, Glassy Lilac, Glassy Rosette, which one did I pick? The purple one, right? Yeah. Glassy Lilac. Oh, lilac. I love lilac. For the longest, story time. For the longest time, I used to get lilac on my pedicures and manicures for like the summers. Years. Ooh, $34 for this little cutie. I love the packaging though. The packaging that all her stuff comes in is really cool. Why am I going to love it? Everything about this cream blush is fun, and each adorable, colorful stick is a joy to pull out of your makeup bag and tap onto the cheeks. Its radiant finish makes glowing skin a cinch, and the sheer shimmery flush livens up your whole look. Basically, it's that youthful glow we're all chasing, but in a tube. Okay. So just dot the stick onto your cheeks and blend with your fingertip, which like I love doing with cream products, but then I'm like, I hate the feel afterwards. Like, then I have to wash my hands. I'm weird. Ugh. Thank you, Tweezers, for helping me not rip the box. This is a cute box. Ooh, that's pretty big. Ooh, I do have blush on already, or I'd put this on. I have on the Rare Beauty. What's the one that looks like a cute little seashell? That cream. Not the liquid with the cream. Anyway, love it. Cute. How much were you? $34. That's a chunk right there. Hello. Let's go back. Phone. Chunk. On to the next items. Maybe not. Oh, this, I'm a struggler. Ooh, okay. Oh. A classic from Benefit Cosmetics. I do love her. I do. This is the Professional Primer. $35 is full size, right? Yeah, full size. $35. She just fills in every wrinkle, every pore, every crevasse filled. I don't know if it ever lasts it. I don't really pay attention to that, but like the immediate results are real for 35 bucks. It's a soft focus filter for your face. Definitely true. Primer has a blurring effect that's very welcome if you're looking to hide pores. I am. Less noticeable pores, velvety texture, squeeze small dollop on a piece. Yeah, a little goes a long way, honestly. It does. It's good stuff, though. I love this stuff. Oh, tips and tricks over at benefitcosmetics.com. I now prefer, though, like the, what do you call them? Dimethica. I prefer the sticky primers now, just because I have like really oily skin. It gets really hot here. I like greasy, oily, slip and slidey skin. It just works better for me that way. But this stuff, she's pretty nice. Giving me all the good goods, Allure. Ooh, this. Oh, hi. This next item, it's an either or. So you're going to get something from Paul Mitchell, and it's either going to be the Paul Mitchell Bond RX Reparative Oil or the Paul Mitchell Bond RX Leave-In Treatment. $28? None of these are full size. I mean, yeah, it is. This is a full size. So this is... You shut the front door. So I have the Reparative Oil. You're $28. I guess your hair oil. Tell me what you do, please. Humidity, time, sun, cause frizz, dullness, coddling. Treatments help get your hair looking frizz-free and shiny with minimal effort. Leave-in product applied to the length of your damp hair. Touch up for dry hair. I want to see what you look like. Excuse me. Hello. Hi. Ooh. And I know what you're thinking. That's a pretty big size box for oil, right? It doesn't fill up the whole box. It is about half the size of the box. Do you want to know how big this product is compared to the box? Wow. Wow. I mean, okay, cool. You know what? I'm not gonna, Oop. We're just gonna, that's cool. That's cool. Okay, cool. We'll just try, $28. Is it worth it though? I like don't reach for, have have my eyes or hearts or heard anything good about Paul Mitchell stuff. So like, let me know in the comments, is this the good? Is it worth it? I mean, I'm going to try for myself, but like, tell me ahead of time what's going on. Are you serious? I remember this. I was like so excited. I saw this on Instagram and my email and social media, and I was like, no way, TATCHA the Dewy Skin Cream shut the front door. And they showed the package and they showed a little like the spoon spatula, and I was so excited. I was like, wow, top of my list. I love TATCHA products, but I have so many skin things I can't justify going out and buying it. So I was like, oh wow, I'm gonna be gifted. Well, not gifted, but like I paid for it. But like Allure is going to include that in the box, and like the giant full size like jar, because that's so good. My skin loves it. What the French fry is this? This is the deluxe sample size. You know how I know? I get these, or I used to get these in my Ipsy Glam bag all the time. In the all the other deluxe sample size. What are the other ones that I've done? The box something? Glossy box. These come in there. Itty bitty. Teeny tiny. The full size is 50 ml. This is 10 ml. 50 ml is $72. The full size is what's listed, shown, pictured on the email, on social media. Not for resale. I have so many things I want to curse at right now. Cool. You will love this. I do love this. To be fair, it is good stuff. It's good soup. Everything we look for in a summertime moisturizer: a little pop, bouncy cream, hydrating, not heavy, luminous finish, fresh, radiant. Yeah, it's all good stuff. In the palm of your hand. Nope. The next item. Oh, we have 2 more. Cool. How many do we normally get? I think it's like 5 we usually get in our Allure Beauty Box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. This, oh, I do like these. I saw you. These are pretty good, honestly. Oh, there's 6 in there. Cute. They do work. They're not the best for me, but they are up there. These are Hero Mighty Patch Invisible. Invisible Plus? What's the plus for? There's 6 in here. They're like little stickers. You put them on your zits and it like sucks all the gunk out for you, especially like while you sleep. Ooh, love it. Pimple, got you covered literally and figuratively. Pop. One on a breakout overnight or during the day, and let the hydrocolloid patch do its zit shrinking thing. Fix a patch over a pimple, remove about 6 to 8 hours later. Easy peasy. What it does is when you have a whitehead or a zit that's like coming to a head, it doesn't work for those really cool ones that hurt so bad and stay under your skin and just make your skin a little red. Those are untouchable for some reason, but these help the actual like zits that come to a head. It has these magical powers that suck the moisture out of them, so all the bacteria and the gunk, and then it gets trapped in the little sticker, turns it white, and then you just peel it off and you're perfect. Again, it's so cool. I love these. I don't think I have them anymore. No, but these work really good. I think the little one took all of mine. Oh, it's so cute. She looks like the little, with all the, anywho, good stuff, good soup. Thank you. Oh, how much are they? $17.99 for 39, which is actually pretty good for how many you get. I'm just saying. Ooh, and the last item. It's from SKIN&CO. Oh, it's a baby. it's a baby. That's cute. Skin&Co Roma Truffle Therapy Morning Dew. The full size is 200 ml. In the box we get 20 ml. $25 for the full size. So what are these? So you smooth it over your skin and rinse. Massage it into your skin for about a minute before splashing your face clean. I'm not gonna splash like that's what I think of like when I hear like splash water like on the morning face wash commercials and they're like whoosh. I swear these kids do that sometimes and it's like a water park in the bathroom afterwards. Like, oh my gosh. But what are you? Washing your face doesn't have to be boring. It's a gel cleanser, feels soothing going on, and the smell is reminiscent of marzipan. 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 So it's just a face wash, which is like good because I've used the face wash of this before and it works really good. So that's pretty cool. Little baby one. And this is like a pretty decent sized baby one too. I could probably take this on a trip with me. Like 3 days. Like a 3-day road trip. That's pretty good. Cool. Okay. Is that everybody? I think that's everybody. The start of something beautiful. And then what I do at the end of these videos is I take everything and I put it in here so nice and neatly so you can see everything that we got or didn't got. Oh, I did want to find out what the plus was on the patch. Why does it say plus? I don't, it doesn't say. Oh well, we'll have to take a look at it later. I will have to take a look at it later. This is so cool. That's everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will be using all 6 items that came in my box for July 2025. I'm curious to try the Paul Mitchell hair thingy. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. But again, let me know in the comments stuff about that. I'm going to put this video in my other playlist videos. I don't have any other nice things to say. I feel like I'm kind of stuck because of... So, we're going to stop this here. Thank you for hanging out. If you like what you saw, hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!